Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe our channel because you will be beneficiate from our channel as well as we get motivation from your one subscription. So let's start this video. Today's job notification has come from Accenture. They are hiring freshers for the position of associate software engineer. BE Tech MCA can apply for this job. It is a off-campus drive. So we will discuss in this detail about in this video. So if you have come first time in our channel, I am repeating again. Please subscribe our channel, and if you really like this video, hit the like button because it gives us motivation. So, all of you have an idea that Accenture is a global professional service company, IT company it is, and the job profile name is Software Engineer Associate. Company name is Accenture, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Gurugram. For all of these locations, they are hiring. Okay, the CTC will be 4,50,000. It's a very good salary at the starting age. Experience record is freshers. 2019 and 2020 can apply. Job description. The overview is mentioned that you will join their team for developing designing purpose. What you will do there, you have to design, build, test, assemble, support and configure the application using business requirements, understand business drivers that will impact performance, bake the technology trends into solutions, responsible for incident resolution. So, ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility will be the main criteria they are asking for. Multidisciplinary and versatile, and also apply new skills fosters. Good analytical and problem solving skills you have to have. Support infrastructure operation or manage delivery for IT production. Flexibility to relocate for project deployment to any part of the India. Work in 24/7 basis business requirements. Okay, basic understanding of ABAP development on HANA, CDS, AMDP, performance analysis will be preferred qualification added to you, and knowledge of development experience of .NET, that is ASP.NET or ASP.NET MVC experience, or knowledge in configuration customization of Salesforce.com application will be a added plus point. So the eligibility mainly BE Tech all streams can apply. 2019 and 2020 graduates can apply. Aggregate 65% or 6.5 CGPA required. No active backlog should be there. And maximum 1 year gap in education are allowed. 0 to 1 year of experience can apply. Candidate should have certification, academic project experience, internship, and other than this you have work experience in these technologies will be a plus point to you, that is the ASP.NET and SAP, BAP, SFDC. Candidates must be eligible to work in India location either by citizenship or have relevant work permit documents. Please note that Bhutan or Nepal candidates can work in India without a need of obtaining a work visa. All other foreign nationals require a work visa. Okay, so if you're really interested, click on apply link. So it will recruiting to Elite Must is a portal like AMCAT. So you can just click here login to apply. If you are new here, then just click on login to apply. You can directly use your login using your Google account. Otherwise you can just put your email or mobile number if you have already account in Elite Must. Otherwise you need to register by putting your email ID and password. Then you have to register. After registration you can log in and apply for the job. So as I have mentioned, the salary is quite good, 4,50,000. So it's a very good opportunity to start your career with Accenture, and the development here and the growth of a particular candidate will be very good here in this company. A very bright future in this company. So if you're really interested, you can directly apply, as the last date it is not mentioned. So as soon as you are getting notification, you can apply. So that's it my friends. If you really like this video, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends because you all will be beneficiate. So that's it, my friend. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Take care. Have a great day.